All right, guys, hack number one I'm gonna show you guys is how to get in the secret menu right down here. It doesn't matter if you have an M car or not, and I'm gonna show you how to unlock this menu here, guys, using this button right here on the dash to your left down at the bottom. So first thing you want to do is you want to get in the car. You know, you can crank it up or just turn the accessory on, and you want to hold that button and keep holding it until you see the menu pop up. So we're gonna wait for the menu to pop up, guys. You'll see it right here soon, and there it is. And you'll have a couple of options in here. You know what you want to go to is unlock, and you're gonna hold it on unlock. And then once you hold it on unlock, you want to use the last 7 digits of your VIN number, add them together, and use that for your unlock code. So if you have only two 4s in your VIN number, your unlock code is going to be 8. If those 2 4s are the only, if you had all 0s and 2 number 4s at the last 7 of your VIN. So mine added together would be 28. So I go all the way to 28. Let me get closer so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna go all the way to 28. And then I'm gonna press it and hold it again. And now it's unlocked, guys. And now I have tank, range, temperature, you know, it's speed, system voltage, acoustics, error codes. I mean, it's so much stuff in here. You know, I don't know what a lot of the stuff does, so I don't mess with it. The main reason I come in here, guys, is for this. Temperature. Boom. Now you can see, hold on, it's a little dark. There we go. Now you can see my coolant and oil temperature, you know, digitally. You know, I butchered the word. I just butchered that, guys, but you know what I meant. And this is the analog oil gauge here. But now you guys can see exactly what my oil and water temp is doing. And another hack, guys, watch what happens to the oil and water temp when I put it in the sport mode. So I'm gonna switch everything into Sport Plus mode. You're gonna see it here on the dashboard. You saw the MDM and traction go off. Now watch how that temperature, oil and coolant temperature start dropping. Coolant temp right now is 102 Celsius. Oil is 96 degrees Celsius. The coolant temperature is already falling dramatically. 97, 96, 95. The oil temperature went down to 96, 93. That coolant temp is dropping dramatically, and all I did is put it in sport mode, guys. You know, so if your engine's running pretty hot, you know, put it in sport mode. It opens up all the cooling passages, guys, so it'll cool down a hell of a lot quicker. You know, what I do is I wait till the oil temp reaches 90 degrees Celsius, and then I turn the car off. Maybe about, you know, 2.5 minutes of idling, which is great for the engine. Because one thing you see, the oil temp just dropped to 95. Because one thing you guys don't want to do is turn the car off while it's hot, because what that's gonna do is while the peak temperatures are hot, because it's gonna leave hot spots in the engine, guys, hot spots in the turbos, and that's not good for your turbo engine, guys, especially a BMW that runs hot anyways. And if you have a boot mod stage 1 or 2 for the S55, the N55, they have something that's called sport cooling, guys. And you guys could also turn on sport cooling for the N55 and S60 and S55, guys. And I think it's the N54 also. And that will, since the water pump and the thermostat is fully electronically controlled, that will keep those things running, you know, without putting extra stress on the system, because BMW has it programmed to turn on right before the car boils over, and that's not what you want to do to your engine. You want to keep that thing as cool as possible. And as you guys can see here, the water temps is 84 degrees Celsius and the oil temps is 94 degrees Celsius, guys. And that comes all courtesy of just pressing one button and unlocking this secret menu in the dash so you guys could actually see your coolant temps, because that's not a coolant gauge. If you see that little logo down there on your right at the bottom, that's a oil temperature gauge. There is no coolant gauge in the BMW at all. So don't ever mistake this gauge for water temperature, because it's not. That's oil temperature. But if you want to see your coolant gauge, guys, there you go. Digitally. I didn't butcher it that time. How you like that? And next, guys, this is for you guys who have a BMW X5, X6, X5M, X6M, 750, 740. Whenever you have the dual batteries in the back, like this is my main starting battery here, and this is for the second battery. The negative is here, and I have the positive wrapped up in this little power splitter box goes on top, because this little module here charges this battery from this battery, so it distributes the power evenly between the two. But this battery here is just for accessories. But anyways, back to saving you guys $250. BMW makes you think that this battery is only made and sold by them, which could be correct, because you can't find this battery anywhere. No other brand makes it besides AC Delco. This battery here, $400. This battery, $150. And if you don't believe it's the same battery, you can tell it's the same battery, guys. It has the one little handle. It's a 50 amp hour AGM battery. And look, even this little thing from BMW's fits right on the new battery, guys. This battery here is from 2014, 4/5/2014. This battery is super old, and it was barely holding the charge, guys. So I ordered this one. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description, guys, where you can get this auxiliary battery from. Save yourself $250. Do not let BMW trick you into buying this $400 battery, guys, when boom, you can get one from AC Delco. Yes, Lord. So guys, I definitely wanted you to know that, you know, any of my subscribers, anybody that come through, we all about saving money and making big power, guys. So I definitely wanted you guys to see that. So I'm gonna get this battery put right in, guys. So I'm gonna get it put in quick, guys. You know, I'm not gonna put it on camera getting put in, because you guys know how to take a battery out and put it in. Oh, and before I forget, guys, know this battery doesn't have to be coded to the car, because if you see the negative cable, it's not monitored like this negative cable. You see the module on this negative cable? That means it's monitored, and the car will let you know when this battery is going dead, since it's the main battery. If this battery was monitored like that one, it would have let me know that this battery from 2014 was going bad in my car, but the car didn't, because the battery is not monitored. It's up to you to keep an eye on this auxiliary battery, or use your owner's manual, and it'll tell you how often to update the battery. But we got the new battery in, guys. Just wanted to let you know that before anybody jump in the comments and say, hey, you didn't code the battery. You don't have to.